to Good Day. Yesterday, I was out of the studio doing some crafting, and today, Amanda and I are in studio doing some crafting.
Yeah, and I think the segment before kind of leads us into this. You know, we saw the owl, right? Well, it's time to grab the kids because they can help the birds. Yes. So I think Maggie did help me with this a little bit last night to sort of get it started.
Okay.
And so she helped dump some things in and help fill the water. So what we're going to do is make little ice cube bird feeders that you could hang on trees outside.
This is great during the winter season,
yes,
considering the birds kind of go a little bit hungry at this point in the season.
They're working their way out of the deep woods, you know, looking for more food, and so you'll have it for them hanging on your tree in your backyard or wherever you want to do this.
And then you can spy them outside your window, so it's kind of a win-win for everybody.
Yeah, absolutely, and you can make them look really pretty so that they're like nice to look at.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you the two that I have like pre-done yesterday.
All right.
So I should be able to just pop these out. What you're going to need for this is a silicone ice cube tray. This one has birdseed and blueberries in it, and that just has birdseed and some raisins, I think, maybe.
Yeah, there's some raisins here up top. You can kind of see them in there. But yeah, they look great.
I think they came out pretty good.
Yeah, and they're definitely cute to look out outside your window to bring, you know, your feathered friends over.
Yeah. So what you'll need, what else you'll need one of, like I said, one of the silicone ice cube trays, and then you're going to need some twine, and you'll just cut it into pieces and make loops so that they it'll freeze inside the ice cube so that you can hang them. You'll need some clothespins just to hold the twine in place so that they don't fall in.
And they don't freeze in.
And they don't freeze into it, yeah. And then you'll want some birdseed and then fruit. So cranberries is what they used, and I didn't have any on hand, but I have some blueberries and I have some dried cranberries and raisins, which I looked it up, and the birds can eat
all three of those.
All of those. So they can't have chocolate, but they can have fruit. So that's what we're going to do. So if you want, you can get started. Start maybe dumping in some bird seed.
All right. Like about how much?
You know, I went like a third of the way.
Okay, so that's a little bit more than I thought.
Yeah, I know. I put some in, and then I realized that it wasn't enough, and then had to, I feel like, add more.
Adjust.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we're good
and then
there.
Do you want to add some more, maybe?
Yeah.
There's like a couple blueberries sitting in there. It was what I had left in the fridge last night.
All right.
See, I think that'll look pretty.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is what I have going so far. Oh, sorry, I moved it on you.
So bird seed on the bottom, and then some of the fruit
and
there
a really
on the
good,
top.
Yeah, fruit layer on there.
And then what you'll do, maybe we'll
do I need to put this in first?
You will, before we fill it with water. So I'm gonna do one over here. Put some seed in there, and then put some blueberries from the bottom. There we go. I think these will end up coming out pretty.
Yeah, and either way, I'm pretty sure the birds won't be too disappointed.
I don't think so. They'll have some food to eat. So yeah, you want to put the knot in.
Oh, the knot goes in.
Put the knot down in the bottom.
All right.
Kind of jam it all the way down there, and then you'll use a clothespin just to hold it, like I said, in place. Lay it, kind of set it on top.
All right. Whoop. I don't have mine in there deep enough.
Deep enough. I probably should have made these a little bit longer.
That's okay.
The loops could have
kind of living and learning a little bit.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then you'll fill it like most of the way, but not all the way.
Oh, not all the way.
Not all the way, but most of the way. There we go.
All right, I might be like Maggie and spill a little.
She did spill. Not Diane, Maggie did. Very good. Voila. There we go.
Wow. And then put them in the freezer overnight, and then you just hang them out.
Yep.
Of course, ours are melting a little bit here because
we got to get them outside.
Yeah, we got to get them outside. We have plenty of birds here at the studio, so I'm pretty sure they're going to be happy with our Good Day project.
Yeah, and I do think it is a good project to do with kids. And then I did see some 30-degree days in that 10 days, so there's still some colder days out there. It may have been good for a month ago, but you know, I saw it and I was like, that's really cool. Let's try it out.
Right, and like I said, our birds are hungry right now, and this is also something that, you know, it's not just, you know, Maggie approved for the young ones, but also the grown-ups can do it too.
I mean, we want to feed the birds.
Yeah.
And like you said, look at them too, because there's going to be migrating here pretty soon. We'll be seeing a lot of them.
Yes, they're going to be hungry.
There you go.